The cross of Jesus, a rugged cross upon the hill where time stood still, God's will fulfilled. The Son of Man with arms stretched wide, for every soul he bled and died. No throne of gold, no crown of might, just wooden beams in darkest night. Yet through that cross the world was changed, love's greatest gift so rearranged. The cross of Jesus, strong and true, where grace came down for me and you. A sign of hope, a victor's stand, salvation carved by nail-pierced hands. Oh, lifted high, the stories sing, the cross of Christ our everything. The weight he bore, our shame, our strife, traded death for endless life. A bridge to heaven built that day, the cross became the only way. Through splintered wood his mercy flows, a beacon shines where sorrow grows. The emblem of a king so meek, strength for all the lost who seek. The cross of Jesus, strong and true, where grace came down for me and you. A sign of hope, a victor's stand, salvation carved by nail-pierced hands. Oh, lifted high, the stories sing, the cross of Christ our everything. No power on earth could hold him there. The cross declared his triumph fair. The grave gave way, the stone rolled free. The cross remains our victory. Through every storm it stands supreme, a holy call, a sacred dream. Jesus' cross forever mine, eternal love in every line. So here I stand beneath its glow, where mercy met the debt I owe. The cross of Jesus, pure and grand, I'll